guys, welcome to part 2 of this video. In this video we're going to take apart the car, see how bad the damages are, and also see if she fires up. So let's get going. But before we turn into it, I'm going to go get some tools. Try to get the hoses out of the way because they are a little cut up with all these pulleys. The hose got damaged by the pulleys, so we're going to try to get the hoses off, get these fans out, and then try to start her up.
Doesn't want to budge.
This thing's all pinched in here. Trying to get it out, having a hard time because I don't want to take the reinforcement off, because if the frame is damaged, it's a lot easier to pull the frame with the reinforcement on, so I'm going to leave it on. So we're going to fight her till she gets out. Well, put the bushel up. See these tabs? She has like there's one right here hitting.
And then one over here.
Yeah, so it's almost like I gotta pull this radiator out with it, but it's bent.
What about? You guys can see it's like inching. Look at that. We've been fighting this thing for the past 10 minutes.
I don't want to break it just in case this thing's good, but at the same time, it's good. See,
You trying to get that hose on?
Yeah, this
Bottom.
bottom right here.
And on the front.
Alright, so we got most of the front end torn apart right now. Now we're gonna move on to the fenders. We're gonna pull off the side skirts to get the fenders off. So I'm gonna go down there and see what it's gonna take to get them off, and we'll get to work.
There's stuff on the bottom and up here to take off the skirt. Bolts. This thing ain't going nowhere. There you go. Got most of the parts off. Just a couple more things, but what are we gonna do right now? We're gonna try to start it.
Yeah.
Moment of truth here in a couple minutes. Well,
Just for a second.
yeah, just for a second.
Just to see
Let's see if this
if
thing.
she's worth fixing.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so here's the bumper. Here, I'll take it out. So the bumper does have a pretty big crack in it. It's got the fog lights, it's got the markers on the side that are good. Missing the little grills. So the bumper's about 600 bucks. Used. Brand new, you could get them for about 700 bucks. I'm gonna try to attempt to fix this bumper unless I can find a really good deal on one. That way I won't have to mess with it. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. I might try to attempt to fix it. It doesn't look too bad. I think I can get it fixed. But like I said, if I can't find one, then we'll attempt to fix it. But if I could find one, then I won't even mess with it. There is. I thought there was. Traction on.
Try to go through the menu. Other.
And just in case you guys were wondering why I look so cold when I was doing all this work, because it's that's how cold it is outside right now.
Boom.
A little chilly, but
Freezing.
for you guys, I'm trying to get that content out. So, like I said before, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell, guys.